Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, you're looking at one of the most aggressive and futuristic SUV concepts we've ever seen, the 2026 Mazda SUV. This isn't just a design study, it's a bold statement of what the future of performance SUVs could look like. Just look at that front end. The wide stance, massive grille with vertical slats, and that prominent Mazda badge immediately grab attention. The sharp, blue-tinted LED headlights give the car a menacing, high-tech look, almost like it's staring back at you. The hood vents, most likely finished in carbon fiber, hint at the performance potential under the skin. It's not just style, this design screams aerodynamics and airflow management. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice aggressive body lines, deeply sculpted panels, and extended wheel arches that house massive multi-spoke blacked-out rims. These aren't your average SUV wheels, they're clearly designed for both form and function. The ground clearance is low for an SUV, which tells us this concept is more sport than utility. What makes this concept stand out is the detailing. The finish is a glossy matte silver, a contrast that reflects light in all the right places, creating cinematic highlights and shadows. You can even see the reflections of the showroom architecture bouncing off the surface, thanks to the hyper-realistic rendering. The combination of carbon accents, gloss black trim, and precise lighting turns this SUV into a piece of modern automotive art. At the back, although it's not shown here in full, we can assume the styling continues with bold LED tail lights, maybe even a connected light bar, aggressive diffusers, and a roof spoiler to complete the sporty look. Mazda has never officially teased this concept, so this could be a designer's vision or a potential future model in the works. Either way, it captures the direction Mazda could be heading. Blending elegance with aggression, tech with design, and performance with futuristic aesthetics. If you're into concept cars, futuristic designs, or just love the evolution of automotive styling, this 2026 Mazda SUV is definitely something to watch. Let us know what you think. Is this the kind of SUV Mazda should actually build? Thanks for watching MVP Auto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning car content and futuristic concepts every week. See you in the next video.